Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Today I have two things to show you guys. I have these which were already unboxed. My son kind of opened them, but I figured the packaging wasn't anything special. It was actually really funny. My son was pointing out the things that were wrong. But it's like the Elizabeth Ward bead storage, but because those are really hard to find, and if you find them, they're usually pretty expensive at this point. I ordered these. I actually got them from Huacan, and I ordered them back in the middle of June, like June 12th or something like that. These ones actually don't lock as tight though, which can be good or bad depending on you. I know the other ones I have to use the end of my tweezers to open them, so I just hope that they don't break. But they were like $16, $17. They weren't very expensive. And I just kind of wanted to see if those were a good alternative for the Elizabeth Ward ones that nobody can really get anymore unless you want to pay like $40, $50, because Amazon prices have shot super crazy high since they are not readily available anymore. So personally, I just don't want to pay that much for them, but I really do like the storage system. I like them a lot. They so far are my favorite. I do like the I can't think of where they're from right now. Harbor Freight containers. I like those too. I like these ones a little bit better, and I do have another one, the lockables, but I haven't even tried those yet. But yeah, those are my favorite so far. So within the same couple days of ordering that, I had ordered this from Homfun. I won't order any diamond paintings from Huacan. I just die laughing every time Miss Coffee calls it Huacan. But just the fact that their quality is so terrible, I won't even try it. But I did try this from Homefun. So I got the aluminum like metal tweezers pin with a 3-placer tray, a plate of wax, and a couple little baggies. This is pretty bent, and rubber bands. So two of my least favorite things I am discovering. And it's on a foam roller, which could potentially save this from being total disaster. I don't know. It's a toss-up on that for me. I feel like sometimes it makes it worse, sometimes it's helpful, but so yeah, this too was ordered in the middle of June. I will link all the details in the description, but I actually am going to get my measuring tape, but it wasn't very expensive, like 14 bucks or something like that, and I believe shipping was free. Let me get the crinkle out of the way, sorry. I got this one because I really like the colors in it. It's a 50 by 50, and there's the image. I just think it's a really pretty image. It's 34 colors, and like I usually try and do, I will save all that part of the counting the drills, making sure I have everything, and put that in the description as well. So that way you guys will know whether or not I received everything, and you don't have to watch me try and count everything, because, you know, that could get annoying. So I try not to do that. But it has got a really deep crease down the whole middle, and it being double-sided adhesive doesn't give me a lot of high hopes for this. Sorry guys. And can you hear my dog? She is being super extra right now. It's not even hot in my house and she's panting like crazy. I'm going to measure this really quick. And it is just a nick under 50 going lengthwise, 50 exactly going across. So there's that's good. I'm gonna check the symbols. I'm gonna move this up so you guys can try and get a view of what I see. I know that there's a glare right now, but if you're looking on the other side, you can see the symbols look pretty clear. I use the light pad even with really clear symbols. I just feel like I see better with the light pad on. So I don't think these are going to be terrible. It's very sticky. The canvas looks decent. It doesn't look too bad, but I'm really worried about this center. And to be really honest, from what I see right here, that doesn't even look awful. I am going to just lay that down because I will pull it up and redo it. I'm going to show you guys some of the colors really quick. So the drills look good. I mean, so far. So I have 38, 34, 154. I have this color in a lot of my canvases, so I noticed that it comes to be a very, either the paintings I'm picking or it's just a frequent we use color in a lot of the ones that I end up liking. Here's some grays, dark blue, not even a dark blue, it's just like a almost denim blue. Peach, got a little bit of 310. And then some 939. More 939. Also, see, I didn't get a lot of 310. I got a lot of 939. Pretty like bubblegum pink. Almost like a mauve color. More peaches. $152, which is a pretty pink color. $893. That's a brighter pink. $326. So some pretty colors. I think the colors combined, they look really good. I'm going to put these aside. I'll count them out when, like I said, I'll let you know if I have everything or not. But I am going to put you guys, pause the video for a minute. I'm going to pull the paper back. I'm going to get a better look at it, and I'm just going to let you know what I see as soon as I do that. So I know that I'm literally looking at my screen so I can see what you're seeing. You can see how bad those wrinkles are. I'm pretty sure if I put this under something heavy, it will flatten itself out, though it doesn't look like the actual canvas is damaged. I do have some bubbling, but it is pretty minor. I don't know if my camera will be able to pull in close enough to let you see a more or not a more, but a closer view of what I'm looking at. So, I mean, I don't think it's going to be terrible. It doesn't look terrible in person, minus that huge crease down the middle, but I think it's fixable. It's not like I don't think it's going to be terrible. So, I mean, obviously I would have preferred my canvas not to look like this, but you know, I did definitely wanted to try out different diamond painting companies. I by far, Diamond Art Club is my absolute favorite. I feel like they have the absolute best quality of any other place I've tried, but I wouldn't have known that for myself if I wouldn't have tried different ones, if I would have just went off of everybody else's view, and I don't necessarily think that's the best thing to do. I wanted to see for myself. I wanted to try some other companies. I wanted to see what else other companies had to offer, and you know, I have tried quite a few now. I wouldn't say a lot, but I've tried quite a few now, and so far I still stand by what I say, and Diamond Art Club has the best quality, and they are my favorite company ever. The customer service, their products, everything else. I am very, very impressed with them every single time. This isn't horrible, but you know, I mean, it isn't the best either, but for it being, you know, less than $20 and all that, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. So that's my opinion on Homfun, and I really do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified the next time I post another video. And I hope you guys all have a great day. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Thank you guys.